Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mowers will practically build themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Murph. Welcome back to the Kit Hoarder Stash. And yeah, it's that time of year again. It's awfully cold out in the dog house. Today, well, we got another card for you. And this is part of a series that, you know, when I get on a kick, I get on a kick. So I apologize, but this is just too much fun. So recently I was watching the movie Road to Perdition with Tom Hanks, and not too far before that I had seen the show The Highwaymen with Kevin Costner and Woody Harrelson, and all that had to do with you know, gangs and whatnot from back in the 30s. So today I have another one in the series. A few weeks ago we did the Gangbusters, the 32 Chrysler Imperial. Today we are going to do the Gangbusters 1928 Lincoln. Ooh, and it's got some cool stuff with it. And notice it's shrink wrapped. So we're going to do Mad Dog's favorite thing. This is a kit from back in 1996. I believe that was the last time it was released, but this particular incarnation of it was released in 1996. Gonna get it out of the shrink wrap. And we are going to break this thing open. Ooh, check out some of the cool stuff. Comes with a couple of pistols. Looks like a 45, a 38, a knife, a siren, a 45 Thompson in a in a violin case. Awesome. Some hand grenades. Looks like some hooch in a box. A guy that's standing and he can either be pointing or just standing, and a shotgun. Hey, that looks pretty cool. Gonna be some neat stuff here, I think. I'm thinking. I'm box challenged, I really am. So, ooh, it's in the shrink wrap. Let's take a look at the instructions first, shall we? All right. So, I guess there was yeah, you could do it with the top up, or you could do it with the top down. Pretty cool. There would be the engine. Here would be the wheels, front windshield, the front bonnet, luggage rack, back seat, jump seat looks like, frame, and suspension. The radiator, the fenders, and here we got the interior and the body shell, and then final assembly. You got the windows, and you got the option you can put the bullet hole windows in it. I think I'm going to do that one this time. And the bumpers and the spare tires. Pretty cool. And then assembling the top, and you can either have the top up or down. So I'll have to make a decision on what I want to do there. Yeah, pretty cool. The luggage carrier for the luggage rack. Don't know what this box is here. It's probably the box for the hooch. Don't know what that is. We'll figure that out. But I know what the violin case is. And then that's on the back. That's pretty neat. That tall T looks like it would be a lot of fun to build. Just saying. So, okay, let's start out with the clear parts. And look at this. We right off the bat, we got some bottles of hooch. Nice. And we got the front windshield with bullet holes in it. And that's done actually really, really well, I think. Now look at that. That's pretty cool. Okay. The blue printer. Goodbye. Chrome pieces parts. Oh, look, we even have some decals. These have got to be labels for the hooch, and it says police 96. So interesting. I guess you could make this a police car. Yeah, this is really a cool series. Now I don't know how many cars total are in this series. Somehow or other, I want to say 3. So far, I have 2 of them. Maybe that's all there is. I don't know. Maybe somebody who does know could comment really nicely in the comment box. Okay. Oh. Killed a plastic tree for this kit. Well, it looks like we have a knife and 2 different kinds of knives. I don't know what these are. Interior parts, really nice chrome wheels, very nice radiator shroud. Door handles. Oh, there's the Greyhound for the Lincoln. That's pretty neat. Yeah, chrome. I mean, the chrome looks good. Here you got the the tires and the plastic white walls for, for them. I got the hiccups. I see a bottle of hooch and I get the hiccups. How about that? Wow. What does that say? Oh, the big bag of parts here. Let's see what's in the big bag of parts. Ooh, so very nice. There's the top and the luggage box. So this is all the stuff for the top. And here are our dudes. These look bigger, taller than the dudes than were in the 32 Chrysler. Just saying, but there's your Thompson, your hand grenades, arms. These guys are well armed. Got extra arms. The dude sitting down. Nice looking fedoras. Nice looking suits. They don't look like police officers. Maybe G-men? I don't know. I don't think they look like police officers. But anyway. Part of the frame. Part of the rear differential. Here are your... Okay, so looks like here we have the tire covers, the spare tire covers, the bonnet, the hood, whatever you want to call it. Very nice, very nicely engraved. Everything looks good. A little bit of cleanup, but that's okay. We can do that. This is definitely all the engine parts. There's a lot of parts to the engine. Wow. A lot of parts to the engine. Here's the interior and the some great detail on the interior tub and on the seats and the interior itself. So that's nice. That ought to be very nice. Here's the body tub. This is gonna need some cleanup, obviously. Clean up on aisle 12 and the fenders. So, but it has some great detail underneath there. So, very, very nice. All right, folks. Well, I am looking forward to getting on building this. Might take me just a little bit to do that because I got, other little projects here going on. But hey, we'll get to it eventually and it will be awesome. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again next week on The Stash.